Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 31 of the Cougar Connection. We had our first successful week of NTI days and distance learning this week at Simons Middle School and the Fleming County School District. As you can see from the pictures up in the ticker this week, we had several meetings taking place on Zoom, and this week we're also going to have those same meetings taking place, and students on Tuesday of this week we're going to have SMS trivia with Kahoot. So if you will jump on Zoom with me, the website address is down there at the bottom, and I'll also push that out again right before we get started. Teachers and students are going to jump on, and we're going to have some SMS trivia. So that's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be the first time we've ever tried that virtual with Zoom, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. We do want to take a moment and say congratulations to Shelby Griggs. She is our student spotlight for this week. As you can see from the picture, Shelby pranked her parents this week by telling them that their toilet was smoking. And this was a prank that she had seen from TikTok. So besides being a jokester and having a really great personality, Shelby is a member of the Blue Barracuda team, and she's an 8th grade student here at Simons Middle School. She also participates in the Beta Club, the girls basketball team, and she is beginning her second season as a volleyball player here at SMS. Shelby's hardworking. She's a very conscientious student, and when school was called off for the coronavirus, she went home Friday and immediately started working on her work for the NTI days. With her work finished, this is what she has been up to over the breaks and pranks. And we just want to shout out to her and thank you, Shelby, for always showing the can, will, must attitude. And thanks for always making us laugh and smile. We can't wait to see what amazing things you do as a Fleming County Panther next year at FCHS too. We want to also take a moment and shout out to Miss Rita Ross. Rita is an instructional assistant who works with our FMD students, and this week I asked her if she would help call almost every single student in the building as we work to verify some bus routes and just to check on kids in general. So we want to shout out to Miss Rita. She showed up the very next day to get a Chromebook, and she learned how to log all that information, and she did an amazing job. And even the teachers were so thankful for her help this week. So thank you, Miss Rita, for all that you do for us and for your students at SMS. We do have several things upcoming this week. We will probably have a whole staff meeting at some point on Monday, teachers and staff. That time is going to be announced. I will text and email you whenever I know exactly what time. We may even table it to Tuesday, just depends upon district announcements. Tuesday we'll have SPED PLC at 3 o'clock. Tuesday's also going to be our trivia through Kahoot, our SMS trivia through Kahoot for students and staff. That's going to be at 1 o'clock on Tuesday. Wednesday, Unified Arts PLC at 2, leadership team. We will meet at 3. Thursday, Green Monkey PLC at 2, Red Jaguar PLC at 3. Friday, as always, students, Can, Will, Must T-shirt day. And the Silver Snakes PLC will be at 2 o'clock. Blue Barracudas, your PLC, will be at 3 o'clock. We do want to take a moment and shout out to our Achieve 3000 leaders last week. On Monday, our top scorer was Macy Perkins. Tuesday, Jocelyn Crum. Wednesday, Mackenzie Conley. Thursday, Leona Puckett. Friday, Elisa Godby. The student who was the top scorer for the week was Leona Puckett, and the two students who had the most activities this week in grades 7 and 8 at 75% or above on the first try was Alyssa Godby and Zachary Earlywine. So congratulations to those students. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. And students, parents, don't forget, we still have the service work going on with Pioneer Trace Nursing Home, and that's what Marley's picture is doing up there. She sent a very sweet letter and drawing to the folks at Pioneer Trace. So please, if you have letters, students, you can email those to me at whitney.wilson at fleming.kyschools.us. You can also send them directly to Amanda Bussell, and that is Service Project PTNH 115 Pioneer Trace, Flemingsburg, Kentucky 41041. So until next time, have a great week.